This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a dryer that is making a terrible screeching sound.
Make it easy. That sounds terrible.
Just an awful sound. And we're going to take the dryer apart, clean it up, but also replace the 4 support wheels that support the dryer, and also we're going to lubricate the either wheel, which may be also the cause of the screech. So we're taking off the bottom panel. We're going to remove some of these screws here that hold on the bottom part. We're also loosening up these door springs. And we're going to take out these screws that hold on the lower cowling where the filter sits. We'll take out the filter, and we're going to grab the cowling and pull it towards you at the bottom, and then it just comes right out. And then you can get to some of the other parts. You want to make sure it's unplugged. And I'm going to be removing these 1/4-inch screws here at the bottom. There's also some screws at the top of the front panel, and you have to remove the top panel to get to the front panel. So we're going to remove some screws from the back of the top panel and slide the top panel forward toward us. And then we can get to the top panel screws, remove them, get the top panel off. We can pull out the tumbler, and now I've also pulled off this idler wheel and the washer, and I'm going to just clean them up a little bit, and I'm going to put some lubrication on it, some oil on the shaft, and then put it back together. So I'm not sure if the screech was coming from the idler wheel, this little part that spins, or if it was from one of the support wheels. So we're going to change the support wheels and clean up this idler wheel shaft and get it lubricated. It's held on by a little plastic clip, so we put the plastic clip back on. Here's the rear support wheels. I've already changed the front ones. Now we're going to be pulling off the little plastic clip. I'm going to clean the shaft. Here's the part number for the wheels. Put the new wheel on. The little plastic clip, just push it over, it'll click into place. It holds that one. We'll do the other side. Pull that plastic clip off. Clean the shaft. Put the new wheel on, put the plastic clip back on. Push it on until it clicks. We got the wheels done. We got the either wheel lubricated. Just gonna, while we're in there, use a little paintbrush to knock the lint off of the motor so we can keep the motor nice and cool as it runs. Get rid of some of the accumulated lint in here because it could be a fire danger. So you can use a vacuum cleaner, or you can just kind of brush it off and then scoop it out with your hand. And then reassembly, we'll put the tumbler back in, we'll put the belt back on, put the front panel back into position, put the cowling back on, put the top panel back into position, and we will have a dryer that no longer screeches. And then here's the front panel with the new wheels on it, just spinning those, making sure they're good, and then we're just going to reassemble it. Put all the pieces back in, and we will have a dryer that no longer has that terrible screech. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.